warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, now in this discussion of material, we will discuss about heat transfer. We will discuss about heat transfer. And what is heat transfer? Heat transfer is heat that can move from one place to another place. And then, how can this heat be transferred? Okay. Heat will be able to move in three ways. Namely, first, conduction. Second, convection. And third, radiation. Okay, and the first, conduction. The transfer of heat by means of conduction is the transfer of heat through a substance without being accompanied to the transfer of particles of the substance based on their thermal conductivity. And conduction is the transfer of heat that occurs in solid, and the amount of that the propagates every second can be calculated with the following formula equation. H equals Q dot divided T equals K dot A delta T divided L, where H equals Q divided T is the amount of heat that propagates every second, and then K is thermal conductivity, and then A is cross section area, and then delta T change in temperature, and then L length of conductor. And conduction that can be divided into two. The first, conductor, and second, isolator. And conductors is a substance that has good heat conductivity. For example, steel, iron, copper, aluminum, or etc. And then isolator is a substance that has poor heat conductivity. For example, paper, glass, wood, and then plastic. That conduction, about conduction. And then now we're going to second way, convection or flow. Okay, convection or flow is the transfer of heat accompanied by the movement of particles of substance. Convection is the transfer of heat that occurs in fluids or both liquid and gas. The amount of heat that propagates every second can be calculated with the following formula equation. H equals Q divided T equals H A delta T, where the H equal Q divided T is the amount of heat that propagates every second. So this is H is the convection coefficient, and then A is surface area, and delta T is the change in temperature. And now we going to third way, radiation. Radiation is heat transfer by means of object radiating heat in the form of electromagnetic waves, the waves. Heat transfer rate is calculated with following formula equation: W equals E to A and T power of 4, where W is heat transfer rate, and then E is emissivity of material, and then 2 is Stefan Boltzmann constant, and then A is surface area. Okay, this about heat transfer. And heat transfer will be able to move in three ways: conduction, convection on flow, and radiation. Okay, I think this is enough. And sorry if I made mistake. At last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.